The Supreme Court has ruled regarding the release of President Trump's tax returns and financial records, triggering a furious series of tweets from the White House, where the president complained that the rulings are a political prosecution and not fair to the presidency. CBS 4's Skyler Henry is live outside the U.S. Supreme Court. And Skyler, today's opinion centered on two separate cases here.
Hey, Francis, good afternoon to you. Well, the Supreme Court ultimately said that prosecutors can obtain President Trump's financial records while blocking Congress from doing the same. And we have seen reaction to the Supreme Court's ruling from the president. In one tweet, he referred to this as prosecutorial misconduct, if that is a word. But now these cases will still move forward, but in a lower court.
President Trump's years-long battle to keep his financial records secret culminated in today's Supreme Court ruling. In two separate opinions, with the justices splitting 7-2, the court ruled the president can block the release of his records to Congress, returning the case to the lower courts. But the high court upheld New York prosecutors' demand for the president's tax returns, which Mr. Trump had been fighting.
We're fighting all the subpoenas. Look, these aren't like impartial people.
Three committees in the Democratic-controlled House and New York prosecutors demanded the president hand over his tax returns, along with other personal financial information. The court heard more than 3 hours of arguments in May.
There is a long, long history of Congress seeking records and getting them.
At some point, there's a straw that breaks the camel's back.
President Trump's lawyers called the subpoenas overreach, arguing the president is immune from criminal prosecution while he's in office.
The presidency is being harassed.
The Manhattan District Attorney's Office had subpoenaed 8 years of President Trump's personal and corporate tax returns as part of its investigation into hush money payments made to two women during the 2016 presidential campaign. In both opinions, President Trump's appointees, Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh, joined the majority. Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito dissented.
Now, in the New York case, because the tax returns were part of a subpoena for a confidential grand jury investigation, it is unlikely that the public will see the president's tax returns anytime soon.